In this video, we will discuss about pneumothorax. So basically the pneumothorax means entry of air inside the pleural cavity. So to obtain a good picture, the best view is the PA view in expiration. So full expiratory film is important to get a best picture of pneumothorax. So the findings of the pneumothorax will be on the X-ray. On X-ray, the vascular margins will not appear on the lateral part of the X-ray film. Second important finding will be there will be the clear demarcation of visceral pleural margin. Because of the accumulation of air in the pleural cavity, we can see well the visceral pleural margin in the pneumothorax. Third one is the intercostal space will be widened. Fourth point will be in the advanced stage of pneumothorax, lungs will get collapse. And diaphragm will pull downside. Next point will be the contralateral shift of mediastinum. And the sixth point will be the affected part of hemithorax will appear hyperlucent as compared to opposite side. So it will be more hyperlucent. Similarly, on the ultrasound, when we do the ultrasound with the linear probe, normally the parietal and visceral pleura slides over each other. So this normal sliding of parietal pleura and visceral pleura over each other will be known as the seesaw sign. So just remember that this presence of seesaw sign is a normal phenomenon. While in the pneumothorax, there will be no sliding of parietal and visceral pleura, which leads to barcode sign. Both parietal and visceral pleura will appear static just as a barcode or the stratosphere sign. So these are the common findings in the pneumothorax which can help us in diagnosing the pneumothorax. Thank you.